Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel The Teacher, and in this video we will talk about a few YouTube glitches, or you can say suggestions, and I am not sure if all of them are right because, as you know, different things behave differently on different devices. So let's get started and see if that is also happening with you. So the first glitch that I found is on this video elements. As you can see, I am uploading a new video, and as I filled all these details and click the next button, the details get a check mark. Now I move to the monetization, and if I turn on the monetization, click done. Either you turn it on or off and click the next button, then you see this monetization as not checked. Okay, let's move back, and here I make it turn on, and if now I click on next, it gets checked. And now you also see a new option, add suitability, and here I choose none of the above and click next. And now we move to the video elements. Now let's say if I add an end screen, okay, now this one, and click save, and another add cards. Let's say I add a card for any of my video and move it right here and click save. Now if I click the next button, you will never see this video element get checked. So I think that could be corrected for both these monetization and video elements. Now let's move further. Add card and click cards and then choose video, and let's say I move to content area and choose this video, and here I click on the copy button. And now if I paste that link here, the alternate link, then it doesn't find the video. So it doesn't make sense why this YouTube URLs are available if they can't be used in end screen and cards. So I think that should also be corrected. I don't know if there is a particular reason for YouTube to not making those links work fine in the end screen and cards. Okay, the next one is interesting, and you might also find that one interesting. So I move back to the details, and as you know that they have changed the tag option. One more thing I would like to suggest, that the tag should not be under the more option or show more or more option. Like I am editing this video, if I scroll down, then you see title, description, thumbnail, playlist option, but then audience, but the tags is under show more. So if you are editing a lot of videos, then you always have to click on this show more link first to see all the tags you have applied. So as you might know, if I click on this copy all button, then it will copy all these tags to the clipboard. Now if I move here and right click on inside the tag window and choose paste, then all those tags will get copied here. They upgraded in the tags is that if you add a duplicate title, then it will automatically get removed. But the glitch is here that it is not for all the tags. I mean, if you change the case of tag, then it will accept the duplicate tag as well. So I think that's not right. Doesn't matter that which character you make capital, then it will get accepted. So I think that should also be corrected. So the next thing is, if you are here under the content window, and here if you choose a filter, any filter, let's say I choose the view filter and ask him to show those video which has more than 100k views. So here we have a list of those videos with more than 100k views. But the glitch here is that even if you click on the refresh page, then the filter will never get removed automatically. You have to click on this cross button. Even if you change the window, you go to the dashboard and then playlist and then again come back to the content, then the filter will still remain there. But if you move to the second page, let's say, And here, after editing some of your videos, if you want to update this page and click on the refresh button, then it will always take you back to the first page. So that is, I don't think that is the right thing. That I want, let's say if I am working on the 6th number page and then I click on by mistake on the refresh button, then it will take me to the first page and I have to click 6 more times to get to the same page back, and there is no option to move to a particular page. So that is very irritating. When you have to edit a lot of videos, then you have to move to those particular pages by clicking this forward button several times. So I think there should be a option, and the maximum rows per page limit is 50. That should also be at least 100. If a channel has hundreds of video and he regularly edit his video, then these few glitches make it very hard to work inside the YouTube studio. And the next glitch also on the content area, and that is it never show you the full title of the video. So let's say if I want to see which PowerPoint video title has 2019 along with the 2016, like this video, the line text animation effect in PowerPoint 2016/2019. If it is already there, I want to check this for many of my videos, that which video has the title PowerPoint 2016/2019 tutorial. So I want to, let's say, remove 2019 from all of those videos, but I can't see the full title of those videos unless you zoom out. So as you zoom out, you can see the full title. So that is, I don't think that is the right way to see the full title. Either you should zoom out or you should have a larger screen with a larger resolution to see the complete title. Even if you hover over a video, then it never show you anything. So at least it should show the complete title on hovering the mouse over the video. So that is my point. And also there is no option to filter the videos according to the duration. So let's say if I want to see those video which has a duration of less than 2 minutes or less than 1 minute, then there is no such option. I think that there should be an option for duration as well. And finally, and that one is my favorite, and that belongs to the analytics. So here I move to the analytics and go to the advanced mode, and here I choose more and go to video info and language. And here you can see that from English I am only getting one view, and for unspecified language I am getting more than 300k views. So there is a glitch in this, and that is unspecified language. And that is because whenever I upload a new video on my channel, and the default setting for language for every new upload is set to English by default. So that is the either glitch for my particular channel, or that could also be for your channel. You should see this report and see that if it is showing most of the views under the unspecified language. Not only that, let me show you more. If I click here on more and use the translation type, translation use, then you can see here original language more than 360,000k views, and for translated I am only getting 105 views. So if I make a check mark on this, then you can see a report of last 28 days. Let me change it to last 90 days, and let's see last 365 days. And before that I was getting no view from translations. But if I show you a custom report of 2018, then you might get a little bit surprised. Let's say 1st January 2018 to 31st December 2018. apply, and here you can see the report of translated views that are more than 500k in 1 year, and they suddenly get increased after January 1st. Here you can see that. But now if I change the report to, let's say, up to this year, 2nd February 5th 2020, and apply, then you can see a sudden drop after December 2018, and thereafter 0 views. And that is a super glitch in YouTube for the translation view. Let me show you one more last thing. So here under Gmail, if I search for partner, YouTube partner support, then you should see these emails. The date of these email, 23/2/2019, 14/12/20, and now finally this year. This is the latest one. And you can see that their team is continuously in touch with me regarding this translation view issue. And what I have did, I will explain you that in my another video, unless they make this bug fixed. Otherwise, there will be no use of telling you about how to use the translation view to get further views from all over the world, even from those countries where the people are finding the content on YouTube in their regional language, like in Hindi, Punjabi, French, Arabic. So unless they fix this bug, there will be no use of telling you how to use this feature. So these were all the glitches and bugs in the YouTube that I find out. I hope you will find them useful, and if you have any of these kind of bug or glitches and you have noticed them, then you can leave your suggestions in the comment box below. And I hope you will like this video. Let me know by liking, sharing and commenting, and do subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.